Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tech Take. Today I've got an unboxing of an Amazon Fire HD10. I actually got this on Amazon on Black Friday for half the price. That was $75. Personally for me, I didn't really want to get an Amazon tablet, but seeing it for this deal at 75 off, I knew it was a steal. I knew I had to get it. So yeah, it is ready for unboxing. So well, this tablet normally costs $150. You can't really do much with it. It's not a productivity tablet. I don't even know if there's anything truly as a productivity based tablet, but well, there's a lot of acronyms going around it nowadays. So this costs $75, which for me, I believe it's worth. No matter what's in the box, it's worth $75. So I also got this Super Shield screen protector and a hard case for the tablet. So we're gonna set this one aside while we do the first unboxing of the Amazon Fire HD10. Looking at the Fire HD10, there's nothing on the left side. At the back, just some documentation in case you want to read out. No documentation, some information about it. Fire HD10, nothing there. Out here on the box, it says it comes with a 5.2 volts 1.8 amp charger, which I believe is about 9 point something watts. Kind of strange. So let's get right to unboxing. Seems I will need my Reaper 2 for this one. Okay. First of all, I have to say the materials of the box is really cheap. It's kind of like what you get from Power Bricks, but hey, this stuff retails for $100, so I'm not gonna complain. This is it. I'm gonna check if there's any other thing left in the box. Nope, empty box. Hopefully you can see that. So this is the tablet. Packaging wise, I have to say it's pretty decent. It's not iPad class, if I'll put it that way, but it's quite decent. I believe your power brick and charging cable should be in here. Obviously this is the tablet, so let's get it out. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Oh, this one. Here is some documentation from Amazon. This one says, "Hello, Fire HD10. This tablet is 32 gigabytes internal, but you can grab an SD card to expand the storage. I believe up to 128 gigabytes or 256. That's out of the way. Make the most out of your Fire HD10. Now the yada, in case you're interested in this. Okay. Pretty decent USB-A to C cable. And this is the Amazon charging brick. Said actually it's 9 watts. I was kind of correct. 9 watts. I've got tons of 10-watt chargers lying around, so I don't think I'll be using this often. And I think this tablet supports faster charging, more than 10 watts. I believe I'm gonna do a search and put the actual figure in the video. But I've got some chargers that can do up to 25, 65 watts, so I don't think I'll be using this much. But I'm gonna do a charge with it to let you guys know how long it takes to fill this bad boy up. So there's nothing left in this box. So I don't know if there'll be enough charge to power it on. Sweet. Wow. By the way, there's some flex in the plastic, but I said this is $75, so I can't complain. So I guess this is a 10 or 8 megapixel camera at the back, then I think 5 or 8 on the front. No, this over here. So this is it. It's pretty decently sized. It's lightweight. You really don't feel it when you're holding it. On the right side, this is the volume rocker, the power button, Type-C port, I believe, microphones, the headphone jack. This should be this port should be where you gain access to the micro SD card slot. On this side, there is speakers, stereo speakers, I believe. 2 speakers up here. There's none on the bottom, just the SD card slot. And there's nothing on the right side of it. So let's see if it turn on the first try. Nope, it does. Okay, it says Amazon Fire. Okay, we're on English, United States. Connecting to network. My Wi-Fi is not on right now. So I bet the setup would be like a regular 100 tablet setup. Okay, you can do a quick skip. So this is it, guys. I have to say the display looks pretty decent. Came with 57% of battery in it. The display looks decent. Let's go to settings, internet, parental controls, storage. Let's see how much storage you get. Okay, you get 24.18 gigabytes of storage. That's what you get out of the box. I think this comes with Android 9.0. I'm not too sure about it. This is it. Right now there's a complaints about the Amazon store being quite limited in terms of applications that you can run, but there are ways whereby you could sideload other apps that are not available in the Amazon store, or there are other ways you can also install the Google Play Store in case you're interested in getting access to all of Google's applications. So that's it, guys. That's the unboxing of the Amazon Fire 10. I have to say it's pretty decent. It's impressive. Should make random browsing and enjoying content a lot easier than it already is right now. So I have to say it does look good. It looks decent. It looks great. It's definitely not an iPad, but well, you're definitely getting more than your money's worth. That I would say for certain. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this unboxing of the Amazon Fire HD 10. Like, share, and subscribe for the full review of this tablet. So it's Kanye from Quick Tech Take. Have a good one. Bye.